Yo guys, Jordan here. So I am sorry that I haven't uploaded a video in forever. But, because just recording problems. So I'm going to be opening up players packs. Not one, two, and pro packs. Here we go. I'm hoping to make some of my coins back, because if you don't know, I got hacked. Because I, gave out my account details. And it didn't work that well for me. Wow, I'm getting lots of special players, that's for sure. Last one. I'm hoping to get one elite from this. Oh, that's good. That's good. Yes. Let's go. 91 corner. Okay. Another elite. This is an elite. Oh! 2 elite, 291 elites. Let's go. Another one. Oh my god, guys. 91 Santonio Holmes. And a 91 Tremaine Block. Which I'm pretty sure goes in. What set does it go into? It goes into the Justin Pooh set. Justin Pooh. Yeah, let's go. That's a good pack. I can open one. I think. Yeah, one. Yeah, that's what I get from my pro packs. I actually call that a success pack opening. Very success. I'm gonna put some players in this so I can get a one of those new packs cut from the new season start. I'll show you how many packs I currently have. I'm gonna put all my players that I really won't sell. So, I'm really hoping to get, 2 elite pack. Let's go. Let's get out some coins. Maybe if they go for more than what I think, they go my, elite players, my 291s. And if you're wondering what my background is, it's just a green backboard. I like it a lot, actually. So, sorry about the background, it's just my mom. So, 6 trophy pack. Yeah. Nothing much. Yeah, so I currently have 10 packs earned. Pretty good. And if you're wondering, I joined this league the other day. And, look how close we are to Devin. So I might be getting Devin in the week. One sec, let me just adjust my camera. There we go. So, I'm gonna go look up the players. So, Holmes, 91. Search. Oh, that's a stinker. Let's just go with corners. Same as 91. It's going for a bit. Let's go 49er. Okay, he's going for a bit. That's gonna be upgrade to my team, guys. So that's good. I'm probably gonna bring you guys another big pack opening in the upcoming time. So yeah. Sorry about the camera for a sec. So, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, share, follow me on social media, and as always, guys,